Order filled.
Hello, good evening.
Stop filled.
Ajar, I missed out. Come on, come up.
Order filled.
Drop, drop, drop.
Stop filled.
Buying opportunity, yeah. Hello everyone. Oh, I missed out. Okay, let me try once more.
Order filled.
Two, two.
Stop filled.
Eh, kaya na eh. I didn't knew I was trading two lots. I might lose this. Because I didn't knew I took two lots. Yeah, my bias is also buy, but I just want to sell a bit to the downside.
Stop filled.
Nice, nice. Who was that? Roman. Nice, nice brother. Let's recover this account. Today I'm not interested to trade so much accounts because price has already moved a lot. Price has moved a lot already. I'll show you guys. As you guys can see. So like I want more upside. The only problem is price has already moved um, close to 400 points. So that's the reason why look I'm not so comfortable buying. But again, if it wants to go up, yep, well and good. Price will chase this highs. So let's see. Let's see if we can get some buying opportunity. We'll wait for one direction because I'm not seeing any direction right now. Because it took out this liquidity. If it wants, it can come down. So I am more into sales because of the price action. So maybe we should get some correction here and then price goes up, right? That's what I'm thinking. Price took out this liquidity also. So keeping that in mind. Just waiting for around 5-10 minutes because I'm not sure if, even if I take a sell, if it's come down, I lose. But once the momentum kicks in, price is going to fly. That's for sure. Any side. This is a 900 level, so I might take a sell. Waiting game, waiting game. Actually, I was like $1,000 profit. It's just that I didn't close my trade. That's the problem. I thought it's gonna just fly down. That's why I took the. Hmm. With price closes below 900, I'm very much willing to sell. Nice, 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 nice. This might okay. Let's wait for a close. Let's wait for a close. Let's not take decision. Okay,
Order
I'm just
filled.
trying. If I lost a lot, that's fine. I just want to try seeing. If I'm wrong here, I'll be wrong.
Stop
Yes,
filled.
I'm still wrong. So price is not still willing to break the 900 level, as you guys can see. So let's wait again. Let's wait. Can't do anything right now. I think this account was I'm in drawdown, so let me just finish this account. So today will be like a recovery day, drawdown recovery day. Chop, 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 chop. Just don't go without me, okay? Okay, let's wait for close. Let's wait for close, 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 close. Price needs to close below 900. That's what we want. Close below 900 level. See, it's not willing to close, but it's gonna fly down. 10 more minutes, guys. 10 more minutes. 10 more minutes. I believe the fly is coming. Just don't want to miss out. That's the only thing.
Order filled.
Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Hopefully it takes out the low. Let's see. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. I should have closed it. So I'm closing now.
Order
The
filled.
reason I closed because prices took out a liquidity level and we are still not the time is still not 10 o'clock in New York time, right? So that's why not taking any risk at all, just covering up my losses. Once price hits around 10 o'clock, that's when we take that right trade. Right now, price is we are still not sure where price wants to go, but the hourly candle is looking so good. The reason is dumping is because of this. So we should see good price movement in the next 1 hour. That's what I believe.
Order filled.
Come on, go up, man. Don't flush it now. Don't flush it now. Oops, flushing now.
Stop filled.
Okay. See, look at price playing around with me, guys. See, see. Let's go. Let's go. I knew this was coming. Is just that I got stopped out because of my stop loss. Okay. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Next, we enter in the next 5 minutes again.
Order filled. Stop filled.
As you guys can see, how price is moving. It's taking out this high. It's taking out this low. So let's see. Let's see. Can't say anything right now. Can't say anything. I don't know why price is not also closing up.
Order filled.
So this is the order block. That's
Stop
why
filled.
I tried selling again. Very bad price action anyways. So I think I should wait again. No more risking my money. If I see a good move, I'll take the trade. We want rejection. Very bad price action. Like just taking out everyone. Now it's gonna dump.
Order filled.
Let's see. Let's see. Come on. Come on. Stop, man. Dump it. Dump it. Dump it. Dump it. Now it depends how this 1 hour candle want to close. I want this thing to become black. So let's see if this thing become black, like the bearish candle. If it becomes, I'll take a good trade. I'll be a good trade for me. Come on, come on. Otherwise, 1 hour, this 1 hour candle wants to be bullish. Yeah. If this wants to be bullish, then I'll be wrong. If this becomes bearish, I'll be right. Let's see. I have like 2 minutes left. Let's go. 2 minutes left. Let's see. Come on, come on. It's okay, brother. It's okay. Since you're taking, it depends on your trading plan, no? It's okay. Last 1 minute. Can't risk anymore. Come on, dump for me. Come on, dump for me.
Order
Okay,
filled.
I'm closing because I have recovered the losses. That's what I want because I can take the trades in a while, you right? So I recovered like how much? $700 loss. So it's you just go slow. That's all. It's a good thing I closed, right? Okay, so we wait for selling opportunities. Okay, we wait for like 5 6 minutes. No, this is a good way. If it just dumps, I just take part. That's all. So I'm just like ready for selling. No mercy. Should I put a sell stop here? This is gonna be very good sell. Trust me. You just wanna close. You just wanna close. If it doesn't close, you lose again. That's why I'm just waiting for a close. See, price not closing yet, but 1 hour is almost ready to go down. Maybe it comes still here. Let's see until 900 level. Let's chase this up to
Order
900 level.
filled.
Did I sell? Oh shit! Why did I sell?
Order filled.
No, I was buying this, guys. I don't know how I took the sell. Okay, so let me buy
Order
again
filled.
and put the stop loss here. Okay,
Stop filled.
out. Okay, okay, then you don't want to go up. Okay, cool. Come on, I'll be in a while. I'll be in very fast. Just waiting. I'm just waiting. I'm just waiting because prices will go up before going down.
Order filled.
Let's see. I believe price will go up before going down. That's a strong belief I have.
Stop filled.
Mm, mm, okay, let's go slow. Let's go slow. How many minutes? Last 1 minute left. What are you doing? What are you going to do?
Order filled.
I'm going again.
Order filled.
I knew this was coming, but I lost some money on the way. It's totally fine. Okay, I need to go slow. So let's try selling at 900 level.
Order filled. Stop filled.
I am getting hunted. I am getting hunted. I am getting hunted, as you guys can see. Buy, buy. Okay, okay. Now we are going to sell. We are going to sell, but I want price to come up and then we sell, right? And we that's the only thing. Uh, let's see, let's see, let's see. Okay, okay. Is it happening now? No. I don't know. Let me
Order
just
filled.
try. Let me just try. So if this is a move, I'm just taking trade so that I don't miss the move, okay? So I might lose the money here also. Let's see. Let's see.
Stop filled.
Okay, still wants to go up. Oh, don't do that to me, brother. Is this gonna fall off? Okay, that's why I like. See, settlement 68. This is one trade I want to wait for. Now pullback is coming. The flush is coming. The flush is coming. The flush is coming. Guys, be ready. Okay, I'm
Order
in.
filled.
$200, $400. Okay, I'm risking $400, guys. Let's see. I just don't want to miss it. That's why I'm taking part. So I lose $400 if I lose. I think I might lose. I have a strong feeling I will lose this trade. Let's see. Because price needs to flush. Last 1 minute left. Let's go. Price needs to flush now.
Stop filled.
Okay, lost $1,000. So I think I can change accounts. 49,975. Okay, I'm re-entering.
Order filled.
75. Just don't want to miss out. That's why I'm re-entering, guys. And it's totally fine if I lose also.
Stop
Okay.
filled.
We have 30 people. Good evening, everyone. Welcome to the session. So today I'm in a bit of a drawdown in most of my accounts. Like I'm in loss and I'm in loss here also. Let's see, let's see, let's see. 15 minutes is here. Last 5 minutes. Let's see, let's see, let's see. I'm not sure. Come on, let's see. But I'm getting hunted very badly. Now don't tell me this is the move.
Order filled. Stop filled.
Let's see, let's see, let's see. So that is the problem with a big day. Since today is Thursday, I'm expecting some move, but the issue is price has moved a lot in the daytime, um, which is 400 points. So the problem with NAS moving 400 points is like more than average of what NAS does on a regular day. So that's the issue with this kind of days where it's very hard to predict which side the market wants to go, right? And that's how I lost the money today. I lost a lot of money, I guess, 600, 200, $1,000, right? So I'm not sure right now. I'm not sure. I am still very bearish. I am still very bearish because price needs to take out all of this, all of this imbalance. But I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. The price action is very nasty. Like you can't buy, you can't sell. You're stuck here. Anyways, let's put a sell limit here. Stop here. Okay. So just expecting price to come here and then go down, right? So that's one prediction I'm doing. The rest, I don't know. I don't know what's happening. So understand when you should not risk. You should not risk when the price has moved more than the average of what it used to move on a normal day, right? So this is more than average, 400 points, right? 400 points is out of the average, which is not normal move, right? And it happened. The only reason why I want to sell is because this move happened before the, what do you say, New York Open. So I'm anticipating sales and then buy later. If that doesn't happen, then the second option is price moving and then going higher, and the third option would be price going up like this and then dumping again for the rest of the day. Okay. Um, let's I even I'm not sure what price wants to do. Let's see. Let's see. Flush, 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 flush. But price should have moved by now. But if it's not moving, um, I don't know. I don't know. Okay, let's buy to until 900. I feel like that's a good thing to do right now. Another $100 risk. Come down, come down, come down, come down, come down. So why am I doing sell and buy? Because this is the what do you call, people call it support, but this is the level where price is rejecting, right? So if it's rejecting here, maybe it rejects again. That's the analysis that I'm doing currently in the short time frame. I just want 20 points, right? um, that's why I took the buy. Maybe this is the rejection, maybe it didn't come till here, but this might be the rejection, maybe. So let's put it here again. Well, a minute. Deep retracement, come on. Bro, we don't about future, please. How to play? Okay, so futures is just like forex. It's just that the data provider is different. Okay, for forex, there are different data providers, right? But for futures, there is only one data provider, which we call CME, right? So you can see on the screen CME, right? Chicago Mercantile Exchange. So the whole futures market, the US futures market, will move, will use this data, right? So there is no manipulation in terms of broker manipulation. There is only one move that is happening. Okay, I should not, should I? Yeah, no worries. There is only one move that is happening, and that is from the CME market, right? And then if you guys observe, there is no spread on the markets. There is no spreads, and here you trade contracts here. Oh shit, very good buy. I should have joined. Anyways, no worries. Price is being very choppy. I'm gonna join this buy, guys. I don't know where, but I'll join it somewhere. I hope there might be some news, maybe. Slovakia inflation rises 3.8% exclusive US and I don't know. If it comes down, I buy. If it's come up, I sell. So this is called a barcode pattern. Okay, price is jumping. Let's see if we get a
Order
buy.
filled.
Now I might be wrong here. Okay, let's see. Anyways, go up, man. Don't come down. Okay, got
Order filled.
$120. Amazing. Now I'll just keep on scalping and giving myself the account back. Otherwise, what to do? Prices chop, 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 chop. So when price is chopping, you don't risk. Bro, buy and profit. Let's wait, let's wait, let's see, let's see, let's see. I'm gonna recover. There is no worries about that. I'm gonna recover. I know myself. I know myself. Let's see.
Order filled. Order filled.
Let's go, let's go, let's go. Does this thing will this thing dump? Is the question. Will this thing dump? But price is going to fall. Price is going to fall. I am pretty sure. But I don't know. Okay, now kind of good, kind of good. This is good. Let's see if we get another pump. Okay, let's see if we get another pump. But once price comes out from here, you're gonna see a big move, right? I want you guys to understand that. Now it's 10:50, right? So it's a 30-minute candle. Let's see 30 minutes candle. Let's see if you can make if this thing becomes black.
Order filled. Stop filled. Order filled.
As you guys can see, my stop loss didn't get hit, right? So that's the benefit of futures, compared to forex or CFDs. Go up, man, go up, man.
Order filled.
Let's go. I'm in profit. So when it's chopping, you sell, you buy, you sell, you buy. You can't do anything else, guys. That's the only thing you do. You sell, you buy, you sell, you buy, you sell, you buy. Maybe I'll try to have a session. I'll try uploading futures videos, how to do futures, how futures works. I'll try doing that. Guys, sell is coming, right? I want you guys to know that. So let's put this. Sell is coming, that's for sure. But I don't know when. I don't know how. Sell is coming. Or does it want to go up like this? I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. Price broke 900 level. Okay.
Order filled.
Let's go.
Order filled.
5 minutes left. Now that was a very good trade. I should have hold it, but it's okay. It's okay. It was a very good trade. I should have hold it, as I told already.
Order
Anyways,
filled.
anyways, let's just go around. I think the momentum is coming. Sell momentum is coming. If it's not coming, I make profit. If it's coming, I lose. And that's so. I'm totally fine with that. Yes.
Stop filled.
I think the sell momentum is in. If it's in, I'll be taking the trade. Do I sell? Market is doing nothing. Boom. Plate. See, I'm getting manipulated left and right.
Order filled.
Let's see if it moves.
Stop filled.
Guys, I'm bored. Boom. There is no boom. There is only chop, 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 chop. It's just like chop, 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 chop. See? Chop, chop, chop. Come on. I know this is going to sell. I know you're going down. Let's go. Let's go, brother. No, not selling. I'm not selling in this price action. Shall we try buying again? I feel like that's a good idea. No. are we getting a drop? Are we getting a drop? Are we getting a drop? Yes, let's go. Let's go. Let's go finally. Come on, dude. Come on, dude. Please, please drop for me, man. Start dropping, guys. See bullshit price action.
Order filled. Order filled.
What shall we do? Boring price action, guys. Price just staying here. Just not willing to move from here. So I'm just like selling, buying, selling, buying.
Order filled. Stop filled.
Okay, okay. Is this a good price action to sell? Maybe. Maybe. Come on, close like that. I'll short again. No. Guys, sell is coming. Trust me. But I don't know when. Now let's just pray prices do this for 30 minutes. I'll buy here, sell here, buy here, sell. Oh, sorry, sell here, buy here, sell here, buy here.
Order filled. Order filled.
Okay, that's why I closed. Okay, let's
Order
see.
filled.
6. Let me take the high. Let's see.
Stop filled.
Oh my god. I'm so done, guys. I'm so done. Bro, your image change site. I didn't get you, brother. Image change site? What do you mean? Mm, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. But trust me, the sale is going to be crazy, crazy. Or it's not selling itself. What do you think is going to happen? Does this look like price wants to go higher? Not sure. No, 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 we are not buying. Price has crossed 900 level. Price has crossed 900 level.
Order filled.
Dump it, dump it, dump it, dump it. Dump it like crazy. No.
Stop filled.
I am still
Order
bearish. I
filled.
am still bearish. Dump it, dump it, dump it, dump it. Let's go. Okay, and if this goes up, price is going to go higher. But I feel like it's going to go down. Oh yes. Oh no. Momentum is coming, I guess. Yes.
Stop filled.
Okay, I lost 400 again. So guys, nothing much to do. Um, price is just moving up and down for now. Um, and that's why the account is like going up, going down, going up, going down. The sell opportunity is still up.
Order filled.
Drop down, drop down. Enough, enough, enough doing drama, man. Drop down. I know. See, see, see. Let's go. And
Order filled.
I am so tired, guys. Just watching. I'm just gonna watch. I'm done now. Let's go to play pool. Better, brother. Goal eco why you are gambling, brother. Because I make money gambling, that's why. Okay, so I'll explain you guys. So this is called futures, and when I'm trading futures, my way of trading is basically uh, catching 20 to 30 points, right? So the move that just happened right now, so I sold here. I don't know where I sold. I sold here, let's say 16 here, 16, and I closed here, right? So I got 16 points. So 16 points is close to $320 for me, right? So what I do is I take quick scalps. I take quick scalps and I close a trade and I keep on rotating accounts, right? Just now, for now, there's no movement. That's why I'm not rotating the accounts, right? But once the movement starts, I will keep rotating my accounts. Okay, so that's what I do. Um, just now I'm just trying to catch the move. So in case I just don't miss out on the move, because these are challenge accounts, and there's two way of trading for me. One way is just like it might look like gambling, but I'm trying to catch moves. So if I'm just getting 50 points also, so for example, 50 point, like if we count from this high, 50 point is this much, right? This much, this much. If I'm getting this much also, I'm getting $1,000. So which makes me very easy to pass my challenges or evaluations, right? Once I pass this evaluations or challenges, in my live account or funded account, I go very slow, right? So that's how I'm trading. So this might look like gambling, but I also want you to understand that my money is not going anywhere. Like uh, I'm going up, I'm going down, but I'm not blowing my accounts, right? If you have observed, that's the thing. Sometimes I blow, and that's totally fine because the price of one funded account, if I just show you here, currently the account that I'm trading, if I just show you, the price of one account is just, you will be shocked looking at the price, $84, which is just 7,000 rupees, 7,300 rupees. Now, why do you want me to waste my time? That's a different analogy, right? I'll teach later. But that's what I'm doing.
Order filled.
I feel like it will cross below the 900 level. That's why I took the sell. Okay, I might be wrong, but totally fine. Either it rejects this level, just like how previous it's doing. Otherwise, it goes down. Uh, yeah.
Stop filled.
So you guys can observe how price uh, plays around this particular level. This particular level, right? 900 level. Uh, okay. So I took a sell, I got stopped out, and it went to my direction. Nice. And this is like a 15-point move, right? So if I take one contract sell, I am getting around like $300, right? So amazing sell. So that's the power of the 0 0 level, 25,900 level. So you can see once price crosses level, the volume comes in, right? So that's how it happens. My PNL for today, I am in deep loss, brother. I think you can see. I think you can see now. Yeah, can you see the minus on the downside? So I've lost $600 in one account. Then $265 on one account. I've lost $1,000 in one account. So that's my PNL for today. That's very much visible to you guys if I'm not. I guess we are getting the. Look at this. I guess we're getting the sell opportunity. Nice, nice. So I took a sell. I got stopped out. It's because of my stop loss, obviously. And then price dumps 50 points, right? So if I would have taken this trade, I would have got $1,000. So that's what I meant to say. Mm.
Order filled.
Maybe we are getting the volume. Yep,
Stop filled.
yep, yep. It's finally moving, guys. But I didn't get my trade. So let's wait again for pullback. Um, so this was just like yesterday. I'll explain you guys in a bit. Um, I don't see PNL. One second. I'll try showing. Golden Gold Echo. Gold Echo. I'm just seeing how to show you. Okay, can you see? I guess you can see now, right? So two accounts I'm trading currently. One is in $600 loss and another is a $400 loss. Okay, so these are the two accounts that I'm trading currently, and this is today's PNL. And another account I am in $1,000 loss. This I lost in front of the live. Okay, and I in one account I am up $1,700, which I didn't trade because I don't want to lose my profits, right? So that's why I didn't take this trade. Okay, I'm going back to the charts, guys.
Order filled.
If it wants to pump, it's just gonna drop. It's just gonna drop. If it wants to drop, it's just gonna drop. If it wants to drop, it's just gonna drop. If it doesn't drop, I don't know. But if it wants to drop, it's just gonna drop and it's not going to come up. 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7.
Stop
No,
filled.
doesn't drop. I'm in $500 loss. Cool, 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 cool. So I'll give you an explanation of yesterday. So yesterday the day started. I'm just gonna take a break, small break, because I'm in a very bad losing streak, and 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 it was the same for me yesterday also. Okay, let's say it's 9:30. Yep. Okay. So 9:30. Okay. Yesterday, I took a buy. Price went up. It didn't, and it came down again. So hit my break even. And I tried buying 2 or 3 times. The reason behind this is the trendline liquidity. No, it's not daily. Yeah. So this was a trendline liquidity, and I was not anticipating price to break yesterday itself, right? I thought like price will just go up first if it wants to break also. So it comes down. So this thing comes down, and I tried buying 2 or 3 times, and I lost some money. I lost some accounts, and I stopped trading for the day. Okay. What I did was I went to play pool with my friends. I played snooker. And then I came back home at this time. I came back home here in this time, exactly at this time. Okay, exactly here. Yeah, I came back home at exactly at this time, and then I started trading, and I lost some amount. I think I lost around $300 first in this trade, and this time is is 3 o'clock, right? 3 o'clock in the New York afternoon, and this 3 o'clock thing is what we call as power hour, right? We call this power hour. So during power hour, if I'm not wrong, I got the trade here. I got a trade exactly here, and I close it here to another trade here, close it here, and took my profits. Okay, so in trading, what I'm trying to say is in trading, sometimes it's good to walk away, right? Sometimes it's good to walk away. Today, I would have walked away today if it was Tuesday or Wednesday. The only reason I didn't walk away today is because most of my profits in my trading journey I have made through uh, what do you say, Thursday. I have made most of my profits on Thursdays because most of the big moves happens on Thursday, and that's one of the reason why um, I am sitting here. Otherwise, I would have been gone. So I'm just gonna wait for some time, and if I don't see any good setup, I'm just gonna walk away. And I'm gonna come back around 2 o'clock, which is here. Okay, I'm gonna come back around 2 o'clock and see if I can get a trade. And to be very honest, when it comes to trading Nasdaq, I'm more of a buyer. I can see buy trades easily, but it's very hard for me to take selling positions. Okay, it's very hard for me to take selling positions. Like I lose a bit before getting into profits, as you guys can see. This was a sell. Maybe I could have taken some trade here and hold it, but no. Like I'm kind of bad with sells. I'm good with buys. If a buy happens, surely I would have taken it. But I am only going to buy after lunch hour. And this would be somewhere I this would be some place where I look to buy. I don't think price would visit here. If it's visiting here, it would have come easily to this level. So I don't think it's gonna happen. So maybe this would be the level where I am interested to buy if it comes down. Rest, as you guys can see, price is still chopping around in this level. Oh, nice, 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 nice. Okay, last trade of the day. Last trade of the day. I'm in.
Order filled.
1832. Last trade of the day. Last trade of the day. Out.
Stop filled.
Okay. So why would I sell? I'll teach this later somewhere in the class. I'm gonna do some talks right now with Gol Echo M2G. So Gol Echo M2G seems like he's very much curious to know many things. How experienced he is, bro. You can also ask him how experienced. 7 years, bro. Evie, how long have you been trading? Okay, okay. No, guys, no fighting. No fighting. It's okay. If I'm a bad trader, I lose money. If you are a good trader, you make money. Okay. Uh, so it's okay. So don't do that. Um, no more fighting, brother. Evie and fake account goal. Don't do fights. It's okay. It's okay. So I've been trading from 2000, like I think 2018, and futures I started last year on the month of July. I started last year on the month of July, and I've been trading. I completely shifted to futures after that because that's where I enjoy trading futures more because I'm more of an aggressive trader. And when I trade CFDs, it used to be hard for me because what the did you guys see? Okay, so um, universe is telling me not to trade. That's one of the signs. Price is not moving, and you are seeing sudden spike in volumes. Um, it's okay. It's okay. No more trading. Okay, I hope you guys are enjoying the session. I think uh, today is the first day I'm on a losing streak for the day, if I'm not wrong. We started on Abhinash Tiam. Why everyone act like a pro in this video comment? It's okay, brother. It's okay. Just enjoy the stream and just show love, because as traders, you should not have room for negativity. If others are having, let them have. There's a very high chance uh, they are not profitable. Maybe I'm not saying they are, but they are not. But there's a very high chance because trading as a career is one of the most spiritual uh, game that I've learned. How much control over your thoughts do you have? Okay, and again, trust me, the way I'm trading, I don't encourage anyone to do that because when you trade like this, your emotions will go up and down. I've been doing this from past so many years, especially for futures. It's been just from maybe how many months, 6 months, 7 months, but I've been doing trading, aggressive trading, from the past few years. So I don't catch into emotions. I know how much I'm willing to risk. Oops. Did you guys see that? i'm I'm just gonna watch. I'm not doing anything. I'm gonna come back at the PM session. Okay, so let me do some sessions for you right now. Okay, no negativity, guys, please, because it should not matter. I'm not asking money from you guys. And if you guys don't want to join, don't join. Simple as that. Okay, so let me Guys, ignore goal eco. Or maybe wait. Okay. Good news is I have the right to remove him. So in case he says another negative, I'll remove him. Okay. So goal eco, let's be positive, brother or sister, whoever you are. Um, but if you are putting another negative, one second. 25 people. Guys, I will tell you how I'm doing futures. Okay, I'll show you guys right now. Since I'm not gonna trade anymore for today. Since I'm on a very bad losing trade. I'm seeing where I can do poll. Hiramni told me that I can do some poll, and I don't know where I should do it. Where is Paul, man? I want to do a poll right now. Okay, anyways, uh, should we remove Goal Echo? I think you should remove him because he is just being. 1 second, guys. Hello? Tauri. Nakatawin. Yaar, Tauri kay no wala siya si. Ay, don't want to. Tale. Tale. Goal Echo. Tale. Ako ay nga to mi kai. Tame tam. Yeah, tame. Tame live Tauri. He's just a course seller. Brother, why are you hating so much? I have a community called Trade House and I do sell courses. Okay, I'm not hating on you. Okay, let's keep him and let's ignore him. Let's, because everyone has a right to speech. Let me give you guys how I am doing my trades. Okay, this is a good selling opportunity for a quick 20-30 point scalp. I think you can get a good uh, selling opportunity right now. Okay. Okay, let's go to Lucid Trading Pro. Now, understand, only focus on the 50k flex. Okay, only focus on the 50k flex, and the price of the prop firm is $84, right? So it is way more cheaper than CFDs. CFDs, it's for 50k, it's coming around $200. Okay, but for futures, it's coming around $80. 84.5. Okay, 84.5. I'm putting on my 84.5, and then we can trade 5 accounts of 50k, right? The maximum we can trade 5 accounts of 50k. So let's say you have a win rate of 50%. Okay, let's say you cannot win every evaluation, right? Since you guys saw me passing evaluations in front of you, you guys saw blowing evaluations in front of you guys, right? So let's take for an example, I am taking 10 accounts. I'm buying 10 accounts. So for me to buy 10 accounts of 50k flex valuation, guys, ignore the chat, please. Focus on the session. Ignore the chat. Okay. So I need to have $845. So okay. So $845. Let's just put it on the chart here, somewhere here. 50k. Okay. One account is $85. Let's say, and if I'm buying 10 accounts, I will need to invest $845. So your investment is $845. Okay, and there is no rules on how do you want to trade. You can trade like 1 to 2 trades per day, 3 trades per day, or just like me, you can trade like 20-30 trades per day. It's totally up to you. Okay. uh, I want you guys to understand, futures account is made in such a way that we scalp. Scalping is one of the fastest way to make money in futures. The second fastest would be day trading, 1 to 2 trades. But just imagine how much of a win rate will you have with 1 to 2 trades, right? So that's one thing. Uh, I want you guys to understand that the drawdown profit target is 6%, which is $3,000, and the maximum drawdown is $2,000, which is 4%. So compared to CFD, which has a very, there is no activation fee. You are paying only one time fee of $84, and your drawdown to profit target is very small also. As you can see, 3,000 profit target, 6%, and 2,000 drawdown, right? The fastest way you can pass this account is in 2 days, right? 50%, 50%. And that's why I risk a lot, right? So if for you to make $3,000, you are allowed to make a maximum of $1,500 every single day. So you make 1,500 today, and then you make another 1,500 tomorrow. Okay, that's the fastest. Do I uh, uh, encourage you guys pass in 2 days? I don't encourage you guys. Don't do that, right? If you have a lot of accounts, if you can keep on buying accounts, do that. Because for me, I don't mind blowing accounts in 2 days, and that's why I keep on buying accounts. You have observed me here, but you also have observed me that I go very slow in live accounts. I'll tell you how I'm doing it. Okay, now there are two options on how you can trade. So every person who is taking big payouts or consistent payouts in the futures firm, they don't have one account, but they have lots of account. Lots of things that they're discussing on the comment section. Guys, focus here, please. Okay, so you people have lots of accounts because uh, the maximum you can withdraw per payout is $2,000. You cannot withdraw more than $2,000, but you can withdraw again and again. But one withdrawal will give you only $2,000. So what you do is, you if you have a lot of money, you can copy trade, but I don't suggest copy trading, because the problem with copy trading is either you win. Guys, I am removing Gol Echo permanently because he is telling his name on the on the this thing. Okay. Goal echo is removed. Let him join from his mother or father phone. Okay. So you buy multiple accounts and then you trade one by one. Okay. So what I do is I rotate. Accounts. You guys have seen me rotating accounts. So what happens is, even though I'm in a drawdown, I will only lose a certain limit. I will not lose a lot. Especially on this kind of day, I will lose only 2 accounts, right? Because I will not expose uh, other accounts to this kind of market movements. Very choppy day. If trust me, I would have lost money if I'm trading more. I know this. I already lost money, right? So I usually rotate accounts. I rotate accounts and I will pass it. So the thing is, I have a 50% pass rate. Okay. Now assuming I pass 5 accounts. 2, 5 passed. Okay, I pass 5 accounts. Now the catch is, the best part is, let's say funded rules. And can you guys see days to payout? Days to payout is $5, right? Days to payout is days to payout is 5 days, and minimum days of profit is 150 per day. Okay. Oh, you can come back again. Head user on this channel. Okay, gold, try again. Try again, goal. I think goal echo. You need to join from someone else channel, because I don't think you can text again. Okay, so uh, you have understand. Okay, you can trade for 5 days for payout, and then minimum days of profit is $150. Now, if you guys have been following me from the past 1 week, I think it's been like seven days for me live trading, and if you guys have been following me, guys, just ignore the chat, please. If you guys have been following me from the past 1 week, you know that I am kind of entering very aggressively in challenges, but also going very slow in funded accounts. Right? I make 200, 200, 200, 200 every day in front of you guys. Right? So if you guys look at that account, I am up. No, this is not the one. Yeah, I am up 1,000. I think you can see now. Yeah, I am up $1,700, which I can withdraw right now. I hope you guys are understanding. I am up $1,700, which I can withdraw right now. So my only work is to pass. Well, let me make myself big. I want to. Yeah, yeah. Let's go. No. Yeah, my only work is to pass as much account as I can and just make the minimum amount of money that I can make. $50 to sorry, $150, $200, $150, $200. And since there is no limit on how much you can make, since there is no consistency rule, I will find one good day and I'll just make the profit. Yesterday I made like $700. Okay, but 4 days I made 200, 200, 200, 200, 200. Okay, and that's how I made 1,700. Now understand the maths. Understand the maths. Every 5 days I can withdraw. Okay, now if you are taking the example of the current account that I have, I can withdraw right now $800. So if you look at this, my investment, I made, actually it's 850. Okay, it should be some let's say 800 only. I made back my investment in one single payout. Now the rest of the payout is your money. So now what you do, you make $200 every single day. Okay, you make $200 every single day. Let's say you are not withdrawing in 5 days. Let's say you are making $200 every single day, which is very easy, for 20 days, and you are doing it on all the 5 accounts. So how much you are making? 200 into 20 is around 4,000. 4,000 into 5 is how much? $10,000. $10,000. Your profit share is equal to $9,000. Are you guys understanding? Now this is mind-boggling information. If you are using this information correctly, if you are applying the rules correctly, if you are following the rules correctly, if you are following everything with discipline, why should you not be able to withdraw money? Okay, and guys, trust me, in this trading journey, you have to be so damn, what do you say, strong. You should be mentally so strong that people like Goal, Echo, M2G should not be able to, you know, what do you say, disturb your mentality. That's the first thing, because someone who is doing properly well in this journey, even though they are part of trade house, or if they are not part of trade house, they will not do like this, trust me. Okay, so that person is negative, that's why they are doing it in that way. If they are not, they won't be doing. I want you guys to understand that. And once you are able to have control over your thoughts, once you are able to have control over your emotions, then you make a rule. So you are trading in two different ways. One is you are going all aggressive in your evaluation, trying to reach the profit target. If you are losing also, that's fine, because when you are rotating, with the 50% pass. I don't know what's your pass rate, but if you guys observe me, I'm not going risk to reward. I'm going win rate. My big profit trades are always good, and my small my losses are always small, $200, $300. But if I'm going big, I go like 500, 600, 2 to 3 times, and I pass, right? So once you pass it, then you always wait for A plus setup, as you guys have seen me doing in live trade, and you just make $200. Now, is it 20,000? Sorry, brother. No, no. 5 for 20, yes. Oh shit. 200 into 20 into 5 is equal to 20,000. I'm so good in the maths, no? That's why. 29 to the $18, 18,000. Okay. Now, what we are gonna do is we are not gonna trade all the. Okay, first you take out one payout. Once you have done with one payout, you can connect. Okay, what I'm saying is connect all the 5 accounts. You can copy trade all the 5 accounts, but make a rule that you are only going to trade 2 trades per day. Okay, you are only going to take 2 trades per day. You are only doing micro. If you can be disciplined as you can, you're doing micro, and just do this every single day. Find a trade that can give you $200. So $200 in futures is just 20 to 30 points, right? So you make that money and you're done for the day. Now you do it every single day for 20 days. What happens? You withdraw money. You guys are understanding? And I've been doing this in front of you guys, right? It's not something that I am not doing it in behind. Yes, I do trade PM session on different accounts. I have got like different forms also that I don't trade in the morning session, that I trade in the PM session. But whatever I'm doing it, even the live account that I trade in front of you guys purposely, I'm doing it in front of you guys. I'm making $200, $300 every single day, and you guys are seeing it. If I'm losing first trade, I'm winning second trade. But if I'm the winners also, I close them early and I put break evens very fast so that I don't lose the money I make. Right? So, are you guys able to see the vision with this? Guys, if you guys are, come on, take part in the chat. Take part in the chat. Are you guys understanding? Absolute cinema. Evie the dreamer. So that's the thing. Now, regarding trading, guys, I'm not gonna trade because I'm already in deep loss today. So I need to recover it. I'm at like $800 loss, $600 loss, $1,000 loss. So I should not be playing around anymore. So if you guys have any questions, make sure you ask me. Angom by Komba, yes. Every dreamer new plan unlocked today, yes. So maybe very soon in the next 1 week or two, I will share you some videos on how to trade futures, how micro works, how mini works. So what I trade is called minis. Micro is like smaller lot sizes. Today is a buy day or what? I'm removing this, guys. I don't think this is a buy day. Expect rejection, another rejection. I believe we are going to see another rejection. Strong belief. And what you're gonna see is price closing again below this bodies. I believe we are gonna see that right now in some time. Ask me, brother. Ask me. Gol Echo is still on the live, but he cannot send message. He cannot chat. Brother, you should join from your parents' phone and chat. If you can't, don't give up. Avi, ask me, guys. If you have any questions, ask me. Because right now, I'm not gonna trade anymore. I'm so done today. Losing after losing today. What to do? So bad, so bad, so bad. And there is nothing. Tomorrow there is nothing. So tomorrow I don't expect so much movements. Uh, so first half of the week has been so good, and second half. Oh, I found the poll finally. Ask me anything, guys. Ask me anything. Bro, it's already 9:48. Let's make some profit until uh 10:30 p.m. See, the thing is, market is always going to move every single day. Okay. The only problem is my account are in drawdown. I don't want to risk anymore. I hope you guys are understanding. If I'm trading more, either I uh, make money, which if that'll be a good thing for me. But if I lose, I'll be losing more, na. So I will come back stronger because understand one thing. No matter who you are, let's say I've been trading from 20 years, let's say I've been trading from 30 years, but a streak of losses will always deplete my thinking. My thinking power will go down, right? So I need to stop. And everyone, let's say you are a pro trader from 30 years, let's say you are Gold Echo who has been doing from so many years, even he needs to stop, right? Otherwise, you cannot make money. Understand that, okay? So I can trade now, but I just want to stop. Otherwise, I'll lose more. So not trading. What is the benefit of not trading? You might not make money, but you will always protect your capital. Correct? That's a better way. Since if you are trading with a very, let's say you are running a car with a very less petrol, so it might stop anywhere on the road, right? You need to fill petrol. So I will take a break. Now I will do something that can fuel me up, so I can come back stronger tomorrow. Yeah, like that. Um, Bro, trailing drawdown later, bro. Lucid tadi. There is no trailing drawdown in Lucid. Uh, Next question is, let's say you took a trade and according to analysis you have a price level with high probability that it would reach there. So would you be holding it till that level or you stick to fix risk to reward? Um, do you want me to answer you in with context to scalping or context to swing trade? So that's difference because even I swing trade, but that's a very once in a lifetime trades that I do with MT5. Like I have personal funds in MT5 that I trade very rarely. But if I am seeing any low, I place a trade and I just make it run to certain price level without seeing the risk to reward. Okay. But when it comes to prop firms, I don't care. If I see momentum, I trade. But if I see the momentum has stopped, I will close the trade. Because understand one thing, if you guys have been trading for past some years or months, how do you lose your account? Tell me. Yes. How do you lose your account? Do you lose your account with one big loss? Or do you lose your account with multiple losses? The answer is you lose your account with multiple losses. So you use the same trick again of multiple wins. But don't try to, win like 6 7 trades. That's never going to happen. But you pass the trade with 2 or 3 winners. And you have seen me do that in front of you guys live. 2 or 3 winners. But there are days where there is news. You pass in one trade, that's fine. Okay, so that's one thing I want you guys to do. Uh, if you want to do futures, you can stick with risk to reward. You can stick with win rate, whatever works for you. Okay, for me, I focus on win rate. If my win rate is low, I stop. If my win rate is good, I continue trading. Since today my win rate is very bad, I'm not trading anymore. Right? Uh, explain funded next futures. So funded next futures, I want you guys to only focus on legacy. Okay, I want you guys to, there is rapid and there is legacy. Focus only on legacy. Okay, legacy you have to pass in 4 days, 40% consistency. That is a minimum. Okay, that is a 3 days, not 4 days. You have to pass in 3 days. So pass in 3 days or take your time. Once you pass, you can take your payout in 5 days. You will get 50% of the total profit. There is no buffer amount. Or if you trade continuously for 30 days, you can take 100% of the profit. So what I suggest is, if you can guys, he's back. So I'm removing him again. I'll see how many tries he does. Yeah, I remove him again. So you need to find another account now. Okay, so okay, so once you make whatever money in 30 days, you can take all the profit if you are waiting for 30 days. But if you are not waiting 30 days, every 5 days you can withdraw 50% of your total profits. That's one thing. Second thing is, since you can take 100%, what I want you guys to do is try to pass 5 accounts and just make $200. Same logic, same maths. Okay, same maths, same logic, you will reach there. Okay, and please explain 50% consistency. So consistency is all about what, let's say you have to make 10 rupees. Okay, if they say 50%, which means you can make 50% of the profit in one day, but you cannot go more than 50%. Okay, but let's say instead of making 5 rupees, you make 6 rupees. So your consistency will become 12. Your profit target will become 12 rupees and not 10 rupees. Since you make 6 rupees now, so what is the double of 6 rupees? 12 rupees, right? So you have to make 12 rupees. So it's always advisable to stop before 5 rupees. Stop around 4 rupees or 4.5 rupees, right? If you have observed me trading few accounts, you see me trade like up till 700 or 800. You never see me reach 900, right? So that's how I maintain a 30% consistency. Few accounts, few companies, they ask you to make only 30% consistency. So you can't remove me. I have a lot of account. Okay, I'm doing it again, brother. Come again. Let's fight today. I remove you again. Now find another account. No, just imagine the level of jobless less he has. Okay, so it's all about 50% consistency. Means just make half on the same day. On one day, don't make the full profit, just half. Okay, that's the thing. Any other questions, guys? Okay, now few companies, futures is in the US market, correct? Futures is not for the Indian market. There is futures for Indian market, but Proform futures only for the US market. So futures was there long before there was CFDs, right? Futures Proform were there long before there were CFD Proforms, but they were only paying out in bank account. They were not paying out in crypto. The reason why I started doing futures pro firm is because they started paying out in crypto. Lucid Trading doesn't have crypto payout for now, so I take my payout in my bank account. But even Apex also is bank account. So, but very soon Lucid is going to have in crypto. So that's the thing. Payout process in crypto or bank account. Funded Next, Funding Ticks has bank. There are other companies that has crypto and few companies that have bank. Okay, if you guys don't want to pay any sort of tax, go for crypto. Bro, how did you spend your first ever payout? I don't remember, brother, because first ever payout is always small, so I don't remember. But my big payout, I bought few electronics. I think it was like $8,000. And I bought few electronic for myself, like monitor. I built a new CPU for myself. But again, if you ask me my first payout, uh, and how would you recommend a trader getting his first payout, bro? Very simple, very very simple. You need to have experience, and you need to have a plan. Okay, there's two things. You need to have experience and you need to have a plan. If you don't have experience, like you see me trading Nasdaq in front of you guys, have you seen any sort of fear? Have you seen any sort of anger? Have you seen any sort of emotion controlling my mind? Is a question that you need to ask yourself, and the answer will always be no. Right? I will be like making some faces and like jumping around, but I'm just here doing that to entertain you guys. I want you guys to understand, with enough experience and proper psychology training, emotions should not affect you. If it's affecting you, it's going to be hard. So make sure you're practicing enough that it doesn't affect you. And then you start, you buy two accounts. That's what I suggest. Okay, buy two accounts with futures. That would be an investment of 15,000 rupees. Okay, so you are investing around 15,000 rupees. What we are expecting is, how would you recommend a trader spend his first payout? Um, I don't know how much you'll make, but 10 to 20%, spend it on yourself. Rest, reinvest. That's what I want you to do. 10 to 20%, reward yourself. Okay, you reward yourself. Buy something for yourself. I always do that. I reward myself a lot. I give myself so many things to myself. I'll show it maybe in the future, not now. Um, and then the rest I reinvest, because I want you to understand that, let's say you make 10 rupees. Okay, uh, you made 10 rupees, but since you have invested a lot of money, like you're investing back a lot of money, you can do the same thing and make another 10 rupees, 3 4 times 10 rupees, 30 rupees, 40 rupees, right? Because your investment has increased, right? So that's called scaling. You focus on one payout, and with that payout you take the risk. Now you'll take two to three payouts. Now this 2 to 3 payouts you put again. Now you'll take 6 payouts. So the rotation happens. Don't try to make big money. Make small money, rotate. Make small money, put it inside, rotate. Okay. Um, Apex monthly subscription. No, once you pass your account, you have to pay activation fee. That's all. So you are like, Apex would cost you around $37, and then once you pass, you have to pay around $64. Am I right? I guess. So you're paying around $90 or $100. And that's all. So the total investment you'll have on a Apex funded account is $100 max. No, not even 100. Some $90 something. Okay. USDT. Where do you find you find USDT from USD seller? So you Arena Chanu, you go to WhatsApp and say, I want to buy USDT. Trust me, there will be people who will text you. I rewarded all to myself, but I realized it was a big mistake. Evi, to be very honest, uh, I think that's a good thing. Because if you want me to be very honest with you, if you have invested that money, there's a very high chance you would have lost it. You getting me? Because um, there are different stages on which a trader goes through, and you are on a stage where you are getting a bit of overconfident because you made money. Okay, now the next trades you will not follow your trade rule properly, like you will make mistakes. Okay, so might be there's a very high chance that you would have blown the money that you have reinvested. So somewhere spending everything on yourself is a good idea. Somewhere, like in terms of the money, okay, but in terms of experience you lost it. But in terms of the money, you did the right thing. I already reached 3500 3350 USD on 10k master account. I didn't know how to pay out my local bank account. um if you have reached payout, then click payout. I think if you are mentioning the word master, so if I'm not wrong, you are trading funding pips. So funding pips doesn't do bank account. I think they do rice or something. I'm not sure. Uh, so I suggest you one thing. Tomorrow, if I'm not wrong, Heramani is doing live. So you ask the same question to him because he is the one who does funding pips. I don't do funding pips. I don't do CFD. So I don't have any idea, brother. I would have lost it. I know myself. Yes, yes, yes. That's true, but because see, I told you I started 2018, but when was I profitable? Lately, very lately. And even though if I was profitable, I was not consistently profitable. Like let's say I make money now, and then I lose, and then I lose, and then I make again, then I lose. There is not a single month where I'm like making. That happened very lately. Okay. Um, I want to learn trading. So where should I learn the strategy? Um, you can learn from Trade House community. We in Heramani, we run a community called Trade House community. Since Goal was selling, right, we are course sellers. Yes, we do have a course which is called, which it's not a course, it's a community. But there's a course inside. Yes, there's Manish. So uh, it's called Trade House community. So you can become part of Trade House community. I want you to reach out to me. So if you go to the YouTube description, if you go to the YouTube description, there is the my Instagram link. Click on that. Text me. I will share you. But I'll be very open. It will cost you money. But if you want to start learning how to trade for free, I will I will send you a YouTube channel which is called Trade House Community, so you can start learning for free because we upload a lot of free content there. Because learning how to trade from Trade House will cost you some money. So if you don't have funds, you can start from this. I'll share you the channel. Copy and go here. Paste. Okay, here is the channel that so you can use this channel. Okay. So I hope there is no more questions. It's already 10 o'clock, so I think we should end this session. Maybe I should take some good rest. I should watch some movie, and I will come back stronger. And trust me, this is the best part about futures trading is you guys are witnessing the daily process in which a trader goes through. Someday you win, someday you lose, but for the whole year you are profitable, right? That's what makes sense. I've been winning from the day I started. No, first day I think I lost. No. First day I started with loss and I recovered all the money and then my power went off. And then after that I have been on a winning streak, right? Every single day I've been winning, and I think today is the first day that I've lost, and that is what I want you guys to see. Someday you lose, someday you win, but you control your losses. Today I didn't control. I lost a bit more than my plan, but it's okay. Okay, so thank you so much everyone for tuning in, and don't be like Goal. What's his name? Don't be like Go. Where's that Goal? Is Goal Echo. Don't be like Goal Echo because um, Don't be like him. Say say taret ki matungda han payout phangjaw daw. Just imagine I was lost a lot of funding pips. That's fine, brother. That's totally fine. I want you to listen to all the podcasts of successful traders on this world. And if you compare them with yourself, you will realize that you are 3 years faster than them. For them to become successful in trading, it took them 10 years. I'm not saying they didn't make any money in 10 years, but the big money, the big money, it came in 10 years. And Joy Collection, I will I can tell you something for guarantee. You didn't trade consistently for 7 years. I can guarantee you that. Somewhere you took some breaks, you stopped trading for 1 year, 2 year, you came. You are just saying that you started trading from 7 years. Because someone who has been trading continuously from 7 years, even without a mentor, will be very good because of the experience. So I know one thing for sure, that you are not trading consistently. You took a break, you stopped trading, you did other businesses, and you came back again. I think that's the calculation, if I'm not wrong. Okay, so thank you so much, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed the session. I hope you guys learned something from my losses. You learn that you need to stop somewhere, right? So I'll see you guys on the next session. Let's make some big money on the next session. Understand that if I win $800, $1,000, $2,000. If I lose $80. I want you guys to understand the math. So for me, my one payout is equal to losing 10 accounts. So I have the room to lose 10 accounts. Right? I hope you guys are understanding the maths. Okay. See you everyone. Good night and amazing day today. I enjoyed the life. Good night. And if you guys enjoyed it, make sure you take some photos, you take some videos of me and the screen and upload on Instagram, and make sure you tag me also. Okay? See you guys.